How do you not rip a teeth thing right? Good morning. Today I'm filming a living alone diaries kind of situation video. So today one of my friends is launching a clothing line. Her clothing line? Okay, so basically she has a business where she has podcasts and she does a lot of other things, but she's also launching a sweatshirt line for her business, and it's going to be inside of a store downtown Brooklyn. It's like 15 minutes away from me, so we're gonna go there today just to support her and also create some content for her, and then we'll go eat after that because we're gonna be hungry and we're definitely gonna be eating. But that doesn't start until 2, so right now I'm going to make some breakfast and watch some ASL videos because I've been trying to learn ASL. Share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a 1 in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true. And I'm digging you. You make me believe. Okay, so this might be lazy or productive, I don't know, but one of my friends bought a bunch of paper plates over, and lately I can't imagine eating anything else. I love eating in glass, so every now and then when I'm trying to romanticize my life I do that, but these paper plates just make my life so much easier because I can just throw them away once I'm done and I don't have to wash any dishes. Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything is so desired. I'll give you. I didn't really make it an official goal, but I think it's one of my goals for the year to actually not become fluent, but be able to be at least a conversational speaker in ASL. I've been pretty consistent for the past 4 weeks ASL learning.
Getting that from YouTube.
So pretty much I just started doing it by watching videos on YouTube, and I've been getting really into it to the point where I'm actually teaching my friends ASL now. The things that I learn, I go and teach it to them. Like when I learned to say my name is, or the alphabets. I'm currently teaching one of my friends the alphabet. We're going literally, I think, 5 letters at a time. But anyway, so this is how I would say hello and my name is, right? So it would be like, hello. That was name. This is how you say name. Is it weird that I'm doing this on video? Because I don't know if you know ASL, so it's like me being silent. I'll just put the lyrics. So it would be like, and then you would finger spell your name. So I finger spell my nickname. I feel like my name is way too long to finger spell. Darcy, my nickname, D-A-R-C-Y. It would be D-A-R-C-Y. And you see how fast I've gotten at it now? Like, I'm really fast at it now. I'm this close to like being able to sing the alphabet really fast. So let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G. It's like this. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I was so proud of myself.
Anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything comes. Your love is a wild and a million. Goes on and on and on. You give all day.
And perfume du jour, we're gonna go with my almost done Burberry. Honestly, I could stay with this shirt, but I've been wearing it the whole day. Oh.
So you can do it from your phone, but this one is more expensive over here than where I was.
Did you try to see?
First of all,
Did you try to see if you could do it again over there?
you know, it kept saying.
What do you think? The spot. Wait, you're here! Oh my god! Not the Black to Business logo. Oh my. Okay. Should I get gray or black? I don't know.
I think you should get the black one.
Really?
Yeah, because you got on gray now.
So I'll just be all black.
Oh, yeah, all black.
I like this. No, I'm looking at your FOMO.
Oh!
You're so. Oh, you look so beautiful. Not me like. Oh my god, you look so good.
Thanks.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
He didn't edit them, so I just left them. I don't like to edit people.
Really dope. Can you tell me what does it mean to Black to Business?
So it's representation of like entrepreneurs. Start that over.
Oh no, I am gonna keep going.
Dorothy got the bloopers. I'm gonna get them.
What does Black to Business mean to you?
So Black to Business represents Black entrepreneurs, Black power, Black advancement, those who support Black businesses. And if you wear sweatshirts, either you have your own business or you just support Black entrepreneurship as a whole. So the movement, it's a movement. A, B, C.
Yeah.
Y'all, Darcy also has taught me some. I don't curse, so she taught me what's it called? The bad words. Like, can I do it?
Sure. Just don't say it.
What is it?
You trying to say whore?
No.
Oh.
Wait, what's this one? Shut up.
Oh. Shut up.
So that's the lesson of the day.
Lesson of the day. That's what Mo's learning. I'm learning ASL and she's learning ASL through me.
So what's our word of the day?
What you want to learn? You want to know how to spell your name?
No, that's too much.
That's too much.
I haven't even got to any of those. None of the letters in my name.
That's so true.
No. Another word.
Do you know thank you?
No.
Yeah, I think I told you thank you. Yeah. Darcy's ASL lesson of the day. She's so excited.
No, this was a lot.
It was.
That's some meat.
But it's big too. Like, this was some really big pizza.
At first I was thinking.
I'll spell your name for you.
Okay.
M O N I. Yeah, it's just the pinky up.
Pinky up, okay. Wait.
Q I. No, it's just, it don't matter. Just as long as your pinky's up. And then Q. You see, it's like a little bit, but yeah,
Okay.
upside down though. And then U. And this is E. Yeah, no, like your 5 are on top of the thumb.
I already forgot.
Think of this like this. And M has 3 legs. So this is 3, right? 3 fingers, and then you just have them up here. So show the separate, you have your thumb in between to show the separation of just 3. Before I leave, I'm gonna put this all the way at the end as a way to say goodbye, because I know usually when I film videos and I end up going out and that's like my last bit of the video, I always forget to say goodbye and things like that, and I'm just like, oh, I hate it. So although you're watching this way after the video, I just wanted to say thank you if you made it this far. Even if you didn't make it this far, thank you, but I guess you won't know that. So thank you to the people who made it this far. If you like this video, please like it, you know, like actually press the like button, subscribe so you can see more, because I'm planning on doing much more videos like this. I hope you're having a great morning, evening, afternoon, night, whatever you're doing. I hope you're enjoying it, and I've been Darcy. Goodbye.